Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Wednesday, March 20th, and you can see here from the news we have crude oil inventories at 10:30, and then dun dun dun, we've got red items: Federal Reserve, Fed funds rate, Open Market Committee economic projections, FOMC statement, FOMC press conference. All red items, all will affect the market. 2 o'clock. Yeah, what's going to happen to interest rates? That's what everybody wants to know. So that's going to be happening today at 2 o'clock and at 2:30. So very much be aware of that. What's going to happen? I don't know, but hopefully it will give the market a somewhat of a direction. So yeah, so I've kind of starting to look a little flaggish as we've been going sideways for a few days. Still, to me, looks very, very toppy, but you can see that we are at the moment gapping down very, very slightly after 2 up days in a row. Again, it just looks super toppy to me. However, the Federal Reserve could come out and this thing could go and break out to new highs. Where could those new highs be? 5,300 for sure. If the Fed disappoints, we could easily see 5,200 and maybe even break 5,200, come down to like 51.66. Will be a very volatile day. If the Fed says they're going to pause interest rates longer, leave them higher for longer, the market's not going to like that. If they say they're only going to have one cut this year, the market will not like that either. If they say, yeah, we're going to cut in June, the market's going to go crazy. It's going to go straight up. So it's all about interest rates. Moving on. Inventory. More anticipation of what the Fed may do. Up day, big inventory up, correlated. Nothing to be worried about there. Intraday. Overnight action was approximately 13 points. That's actually not very much volatility, but I expect a ton of volatility to do today based on the FOMC meeting at 2 p.m. where we got support and resistance. We have resistance on the top side, a little bit of confluence here around 62, 52, 62, 52.81. Of course, the 5,300 will have some resistance. Support, on the other hand, will have 52.20, 5,200. Below that, we start getting some decent levels, 51.93, 51.85. So that's your support resistance level. Stock Trader's Almanac for today is 47.6. 47.6. So that's a negative expectancy for today from the Stock Trader's Almanac. Hope you have a great day today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Remember to subscribe, comment, and like. Hey, thanks for watching the Morning Brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.